Inductive fan does two things for us, one of which is it gives us something that we can capture the noise and make it quieter as a signature. The second is that it tucks away the propeller on the ground so it's not out there. If it were to be spinning, it wouldn't be in a position where somebody could accidentally brush up against it and cause an accident in that fashion. It's in its own environment, and that's one of the features. It also looks-wise, if you look at a propeller on the ground, it looks out of place. People see a ground vehicle with a propeller and it's like a person wearing a beanie. It doesn't look right. So we're doing two vehicles in one, and we wanted it to look right and function well in both. I think that the function-wise of the ducted fan, so far it's working out quite well. I think you have to design it the right way for it to work. I mean, jet engines are essentially ducted fans with an engine and a core. And that's with a high bypass jet engine, that's what you have.